Right, we're approaching a mini roundabout. We're going to take the first exit left. We treat these like crossroads, so we're checking all three sides on this one, but we give way to anything coming straight ahead or indicating right from the right side, or anything indicating right from ahead. So I've done my mirror signal. I'm positioning to the right, I'm looking to the left, nothing coming. These cars coming down are going straight, so that's the gap for me to go. Straighten up, check all three mirrors. At the mini roundabout, I'm going to take the third exit right. Again, I need to check all sides before I go. I'm giving way to cars from the right or anything from ahead that might be indicating right as well. So on approach, mirror signal right. I'm starting to look early, to try and get an idea if I'm going to stop. I think I am going to stop. There's a car coming up. There's some cars coming down. I'm not too worried about them yet. There's nothing indicating right from ahead. There's another van coming. Still looking, I'm scanning all sides, that's what they want to see, and then I can join the roundabout. Oh, thank you. Go on then, Mr. Van Guy. That could have been an accident. Straighten up, check the mirrors, and off we go. You're going to find that quite a bit. You're in a learner car, and everybody wants to go in front of you. It's the way it is, unfortunately. Mini roundabout, I'm going to go straight ahead. When we go straight ahead at a mini roundabout, we don't indicate to come off because we just haven't got time to do it. Again, treat them like crossroads. My approach speed is about 10-12 miles per hour. Nothing coming from the right, nothing from ahead, nothing from the left. The car from ahead was indicating left, so that gives me a chance to go through. Just keep it simple like that. Approach speed, check all sides, give way to anything from the right that's going to cross your path or indicating right from ahead that's very close to the roundabout.